Here's a quick how-to or upgrade your MacBook Pro 13-inch memory from 2 gigs to 4 gigs. First, you'll need a number 00 Phillips screwdriver. I prefer to have a credit card size flexible magnet to hold the screws. And then you'll need your brand new memory. I got these are 4 gigs. Currently there's 2 gigs installed as the stock configuration on the MacBook Pro, but I bought 2 pairs of 2 gigs for a total of 4 gigabytes of main system memory, DDR3s, and I got this on eBay, and I believe I paid about $23, including shipping. So here we go. And this is the bottom side of the MacBook Pro. Let's go ahead and remove your screws carefully. I would prefer to keep them in the same arrangement on my little magnet holder here as I pull them off of the bottom of the laptop. Okay, all the screws are now removed. I will lift up on the bottom of the plate, and here we have it. Put that aside. Go ahead and use your fingers and carefully push onto the sides of the release clips on both ends of the memory chip. Move and it will pop up automatically like you see. Carefully slide it out. Here's one. Put it on a anti-static foam somewhere. Place it here. And the other pair of memory is on the bottom. So you have to reach down here a little bit and release both sides. Carefully slide out. Here we go. Set it aside. Now get your brand new system memory. And these are matching pairs by Micron. I don't know if you could see that. Let me see if I could get it to focus. Here we go. That's one. That's two. Okay. Now I'm going to just go ahead and line up the little slots and insert. These are 2 gigabyte stick units versus 1 gigabyte stick units of the original. Just carefully slide it in and push down to lock it in place. And there you have it. Now all you need to do is put back the bottom plate and reassemble the screws in the appropriate order. And I do a crisscross pattern from one end to the other, making sure that you put in the correct length screw for each hole. And they don't have to be so tight that you'll strip the heads, just finger tight is more than appropriate. Just go from one side to the other. Alright, now all the screws are put back in place. I'm going to go ahead and put the original RAM into the anti-static bag. So, seal it. And now, turn over your laptop, powering it up. Okay, I see the Apple logo. Progress bar is spinning. And we have login screen. Let's log in. And of course I won't show you my password, so let me pan away. Enter. And I have the desktop. Let's launch an application. Launch Google Chrome. Let's take a look at the system settings here. And I don't know if you can see this. Zoom in. Four gigabytes of main system memory. All that's needed now is to do a memory test to make sure that the memory I installed is solid. I will do that in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please rate, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.